First paragraph is the introduction. In this, you just have to write, what does the chart tell? You can start intro by the words. This line chart, table or graph, illustrates, or shows, or suggests, or provides information about the. After that, you have to write the main info from the question. Body. It's the main part, but very easy. You just have to write the data in a written form. Also, if you can find a suitable comparison, then you can make it. Remember, the body must be brief and show almost all information from the chart. It should not be more than 100 words. I have a trick. First, read the graph from the starting. If there are two things, then you can start the first line with the starting position of both. Then, just write which one is increasing and which one is decreasing or is constant. After that, you can tell where both are equal means the spot where the two lines intersect in a line graph. So, it's easy. Don't worry, I will show you example 2. After body, you will write the conclusion. It's also easy. Just write what you mainly understood after understanding the graph. You can also make some future predictions, like, if the data is increasing, you can write that it's supposed that the data will continue to rise. You can use words like, in short, overall. Let us write an analytical paragraph from the example. The line chart given below shows the percentage of males and females literacy in Simland from 1995 to 2050. Examine and write in 100-150 words. You know, this line chart is showing the percent of male-female literacy in Simland. Read the years below. Here, darker line is for males and lighter for female. So first, we will write the introduction. You know, we will write, this line chart illustrates the percentage of literacy in males and females in Simland. Focus. The first 4 words came only from the format. And then, the bold words came just from the question. Check. Then, body. What will you write? As 1995 is the first year, we will write the data of males and females in this year. This is 60% and 40% respectively. So, we wrote, in 1995, 60% males were literate, and 40% females were literate. We can see, the line of males is going down, and that of females is increasing. So, we will write, male literacy fluctuated between 1995 and 2020, because after 2020, it rises a bit. And for females, literacy gradually increased. Now, see, the graph is showing future predictions. So we will use future tense when we write about data in future. Keep the underlined words in mind. Also, find the highest and lowest of both. We see, male literacy was highest in 1995, and females' literacy was lowest there. Then, see, the two lines intersect at 2035. So we will write, male and female literacy will be equal in 2035. Remember it is future. After the intersection, the female line is above from males. So, females are supposed to be more literate than males after 2035. Therefore, we wrote the body. Conclusion. From the chart, we see, the females are becoming more literate, while male literacy is going down. And that's the conclusion. Now, let us see some tricks while writing. Use complex words. Means, use your vocabulary as more as you can. For example, if you use the word dead, then use deceased in place of dead. Dead is not wrong, but you have to show the reader that you know English. If you don't know perfect English, then don't make extra lines that you are not sure are right or wrong. Because overwriting with mistakes just help the reader to cut your marks. If you don't have enough practice, then first plan what you will write, and then write. Always follow the word limit. If the checker can't find a mistake in your paragraph, then she will try to cut your marks. by looking at the word limit. Never write anything that's not in the graph. For example, if graph of deaths is growing, then don't write the reasons, like, a disaster can be responsible for that. Also, never write all sentences simple and short. Try to merge two sentences, wherever possible. For example, in our line chart, the male literacy was 60% in 1995, and female literacy was 40%. So, don't write it in two separate sentences. Now, you have learned all. Now, just read what you will do to write an analytical paragraph. First, read the question and the data. Then, check whether it includes future or not. If it includes future, then remember to use the future tense while writing about that unit. Then, write the introduction. For a body, begin from the starting, the way we started from 1995 in our example. Make comparisons. Check if there is a point where two units become equal. Then, write the conclusion. After that, read the full paragraph.